Oh, that might be an I, because that's iodine. Okay.
I think it's really good. It's a good place to start them. I mean, the earlier the better for getting going. We're not doing anything too crazy, so it's just sort of introducing the concepts, so that when they come up later, they're not hearing them for the first time. So I don't expect anyone to walk out of here sort of knowing the 3 stages of matter, but when they hear about it later, they can go, oh yeah, I remember. So it's like air and water, and then there's another one too. Oh yeah, it's gas or.
This is something you learn about a lot later, but for now, we're going to look at it and we're going to find out if we can spell your name using elements on the periodic table.
I think it's fun, you know, a different teacher every year, and some kids will take the same class 2 years. So if I do a science class next year, some of the 3-year-olds as 4-year-olds might be in it too, and we'll have different things to do again. Or if we're doing some of the same ideas, maybe just in a different way, again, they will have heard it last year, and they'll be able to help the younger kids too. That's why it's hard having a mix of 3 to 6-year-olds, because a 3-year-old that's, you know, maybe just turned 3 a month ago is really far behind compared to someone who is 6 and might be 7 at the beginning of the school year. But in theory, hopefully that the 6-year-olds can then help the 3-year-olds. So we try to arrange them in a way that everyone can learn from everyone else.
Henry, what would a liquid be?
Water or milk?
Like water or milk, yeah. A liquid, yeah.
Which is sort of Montessori concepts too. So a lot of leisure services, it's nice to have the Montessori teachers, or even just being a cook, I'm familiar with how Montessori works. You know, I'm not certified or anything, but I can definitely bring those concepts, or at least the ones that I understand too.
How's it going, Sam? That's about what I thought. Yes.
It's a good segue from the end of the school year into summer, because the classes are short. They're very low pressure for the kids. You know, it's coming, we have a good time, and most of them usually like going around and having a good time, meeting some kids that they don't normally go to school with, making new friends, and then once they're done with it, if they take the full month of classes, you know, then they only have 2 months of summer afterwards, which is more than enough, because kids like that age, usually about a couple weeks in the summer, they want to go back to school. So.